Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some very nice conditions across the region this morning. That's going to continue for the next several days with low humidity values, temperatures comfortable in the overnight. We saw temperatures in the 50s last night. We'll see temperatures a bit warmer the next few days, but overall comfortable temperatures overnight. Daytime highs in the mid to upper 70s today. We'll see those rise slightly as we move into the weekend in the 80s, but overall some really nice weather in store. No chances of precipitation or lightning today, and that'll continue through the weekend. Our current sounding from this morning, freezing level at 14,100 feet. Winds are light in the low levels, and seeing our winds increase in the mid-levels around 16,000 feet up to 25 to 35 knots. Out of the westerly component in general, then we see our winds peaking around 41 knots at 25,000 feet. Current surface analysis, we have high pressure in control, stretching from the Great Lakes into the Mid-Atlantic region, giving us these very nice conditions for August. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see mostly sunny skies across the region this morning, and we'll see some cumulus clouds develop this afternoon. Fair weather in general, and should just see a broken deck this afternoon around 5,000 feet. Our GFS model looking like several days here, high pressure in control today into tomorrow, and then into Saturday, same similar pattern. Sunday we see the high build off the coast a bit more. That'll give us a little bit more of a return flow and a little bit more humidity across the region, but good conditions in general on Sunday. And Monday we'll have a cold front trying to move through the region late in the day, giving us a chance of showers and thunderstorms. And for Tuesday, GFS kind of lingers this across the region. Could see some pop-up showers, thunderstorms on Tuesday as we see a return to that more typical August weather of warm and humid. And moving into Wednesday of next week, possibly seeing some breaks in the shower and thunderstorm activity as a weak area high pressure builds in from New England. But taking a look at our risk chart for today, high today is 77, low tonight of 58. Southeasterly winds 7 to 12 knots this afternoon, and variable less than 5 knots overnight. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, looking like VFR conditions the next 24 hours. In general, good sky conditions. We'll see a broken deck around 5,000 feet this afternoon. That will be the predominant sky coverage this afternoon, but we'll have a chance of seeing some scattered decks, so no ceilings around 5 and 25,000 feet as well. For tomorrow morning, we'll just see some filtered sunshine, mostly sunny skies to partly cloudy skies with some serious cloudiness in the region. Tides running normal. Looking at Friday and Saturday, green charts across the board continuing. Partly cloudy and pleasant for all three time periods here. High of 80 on Friday, low of 61 Friday night, and high of 81 on Saturday. So the next 7 days, looking at really nice weather, as I mentioned, through the weekend. And we'll see that return to warm and more humid conditions from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. It will be warmer inland. Here along the coast, we'll have a wind off the water, keeping us capped in the mid-80s for our highs. Inland, we'll see temperatures in the upper 80s, possibly lower 90s for early next week with the humidity returning. So looking like some warm to hot conditions for next week, as well as humid. We'll see that 30% chance of a shower thunderstorm late Monday, as well as a 20% chance of a shower on Tuesday. Continuing with, in general, partly to mostly cloudy skies for both days, as those thunderstorm chances and shower chances are low end at this time. Not seeing a lot of model agreement in the thunderstorm chances for either Monday or Tuesday. So just keeping those capped at the low end, 30 to 20% chance at this time, but could increase that as we move closer to those events. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning at 10 a.m.